Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. The Real Housewives of Durban has been given the green light and has been commissioned for season 2, you guys. And it seems like this time the show will be very much interesting, especially now that there's been reports that Utando Nestembu's star and Musa Mseleku's wife Makhumalo is joining the much loved reality show, The Real Housewives of Durban. She will be joined by two new faces that was posted on the show's social media pages. And one of the ladies is none other than Londi London. Here are some of the comments from social media, you guys, and please don't forget to share, like, comment. I'll see you on the next one. Here are the comments. De Bryan says she will get along with Fisongwani's wife. I saw similarity between the two if you watch Utando Nestembu last season. And of course, someone replied and said, Ayanda left the show. Apparently, Ayanda won't be a part of the reality show this season. Tulile Miguel wrote, I don't see how she fits on this show. I'm confused. We want to see housewives who are filthy rich with big houses and cars. The only housewife who qualifies here is Sorisha. The rest by a forcer. Abundance says, I like her a lot, but I don't think she's going to make the show any interesting. Mseleku will be behind the scene, tell her what to share and how to behave, i.e. Last but not least, Tato Rula wrote, if she's gonna be like Lakonko, who was reserved on saucy issues, then she'll be boring. Anyways, Mseleku will be giving her out rules on how to play the game. Guys, please don't forget to share. I'll see you on the next. Thank you. Bye.